It's 6 a.m. and it is cold, probably the coldest morning so far. So I'm going to go for a walk to warm up, and then I have a warm breakfast, and then I'll do my stuff and hit the trail. Talk to you later.
You didn't lie, the road alone. You broke it down as they get away. Oh, yeah, sun was buzzing out on the lines, and we were lost like an early morning secret. I thought that.
And this is my cooking box in action, making tea right now. I guess I'm lucky. I have just been told that I'm good to go. They're gonna remove the sign anytime today. They got the fire under control in there, so I'll continue the trail. So I am done with section 45. I got gas, I got water, I had a pretty good burger, I got a beer. So ready to go, starting section 46. Talk to you later.
I thought that I'd remember it all. I was on now, terrorized with light, and we were gone like an early morning.
Just kidding.
Right here.
It's 7:30. I made it to the campground. I kind of finished section 46. There was a tree across the trail at some point, and I tried to go around using other trails and road, and it was a nightmare. It's a maze of little roads and trails. So after like 45 minutes of trying, I decided to go back on the main road and go to find a place to sleep, and I found this campground, which is so-so, but you know, that's fine. You'll do for tonight. At least they have a bathroom, so it's good. So that's it. Good night everyone, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.